G'day everyone, Ali here. Well, I have found a little hidden gem through a friend of mine. Come here, Janine. Say hello.
Hi.
So, Janine's brought me to the Stampers Hut down here at Ashmore, and they're on the Gold Coast. So, we've got permission to film. I've bought some stuff, so I'm going to do a bit of a haul as well, so you'll see what I've actually bought. So, come and see Karen and Vicky. Vicky works every Saturday, every second Saturday down here. So, until I do my haul, happy crafting. See ya. So it's really well organised as well. So they've got all their adhesive tapes and foam dots and all that all together. So really nice. Wow. So some ribbon here. Isn't that lovely? I haven't seen anything like that before actually. So $2 a metre. Be worthwhile just getting some just to put in my stash there. So I might do that. So they also do lessons in card making and scrapbooking, which is a really good idea. And there's some displayed items here that gives you some ideas. Now, Karen has also got kits put together where you can actually purchase the kit, and it includes all the items and a instruction sheet as well. So really great idea. They also have a really good range of distress re-inkers and also the distress paints and the distress stains as well. So this is probably one of the better range of distress inks and paint that I have seen in a shop. So they also have a good range in modelling paste and gesso, and there's a really good variety of colours as well. So they've got crackle paste also. They also sell dies, and there's different brand dies. So there's Spellbinders, Sizzix, Tim Holtz here, and yeah, it's just great just going through just to see what there is here. So I love this owl card here by Sizzix. That's really cute. Some Kaiser craft as well. Ooh, bit of a sucker for Elizabeth Craft, I am. I've got so many Elizabeth Craft dies, it's not funny. So I've got them stored in some A5 folders at home. So some here that I don't have. So there's a good range of stickers as well, both rub-ons and just normal stickers as well. So, and reasonably priced. Cutting tools, heat guns, tweezers, EK Success scissors. So I'll invest in a pair of those one day.
Dinky places. I know that sounds weird. But when I was a kid, what I wanted to do when I grew up was own a haberdashery store.
Oh, yeah.
Haberdashery stash.
A great range of crafting tools also.
It's like a little house and something else. They were new ones out. I can't get it on. I don't know, I must have deleted it. Wrong.
So a little hidden gem here. So there's heaps of different sort of stamps and that. So they've got the Red Room Door, they've got Hero Arts, yeah, heaps of even the Stampendous, heartfelt ones. So I could spend probably hours in here actually. Different papers. Ooh, now isn't that nice? That would be really nice in art journaling actually. I might grab one of those. So different types of paper and that. Oh, embossing powders. It's so well displayed as well. Ribbons galore. Wow. Oh, and vellum. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? So white and gold. It's really pretty. Different sort of styles there. Paisley. Yeah, isn't that nice? It's really nice as well. So some dusty attic embellishments. Some little ones as well. A brace set with different rollers. I'll invest in one of these one day. As you can see, it's a really well laid out store. Very small, but really well laid out. So there's a really good range of ink pads. So there's some Memento, the Distress range in just normal inkers and oxide inks. Also Dilution paints and of course Inka Gold, which I absolutely love. They've really got also a good range of glues as well. Hi everyone, so I've returned home from the Stamper's Hut and really enjoyed my day with Janine. She introduced me to the Stamper's Hut and I bought a few things, so I wanted to show you what I actually bought. Okay, so I'll start off with ribbon, and I bought some tulle and it was 15 cents a metre, I think it was. I bought a metre because this would be good to make bows and that with. I've bought red and black, thinking that I may use it for a Valentine's card. Just bought a metre of each. I thought that was quite cheap actually. I also bought this ribbon and thought it was absolutely gorgeous. It's leaves. And I bought a metre of this as well, and this was like $2, and I'd never seen anything like it. So I thought this would be good for cards or art journaling, any of that sort of stuff there. So I thought that was really, really pretty. So I got those. I also picked up a bit of a bargain in the bargain bin there. Prismacolor watercolor pencils. So there's 6 in a packet, sorry, and I paid $5 for them. I just recently invested in Prisma pencils and I haven't got these colors in my set, so I thought I would buy those for $5. Really good bargain there. I also purchased some distress paint. So this is my first lot of distress paint that I've actually purchased, and I picked Walnut Stain and Vintage Photo because I like the vintage feel. So these were like $8 each. I thought I'll pick up a couple. I see a lot of people use them, so I thought I'd give it a go. Keeping with the distress range, so I bought some Picket Fence distress ink as well, so that was $10.
I recently purchased a black art journaling book. I thought that would go, because I don't have picket fence in the distress range. I picked up one of those in mind of using that with my black art journaling book. I also picked up a no clog writing cap. A bit odd, $10, but recently I found I've got a few of these bottles with the pins in, and I use my PVA glue all the time. I pulled the pin out a couple of weeks ago and my glue came out brown. Wasn't really happy because I thought these were stainless steel. So I've bought a non-clogging writing cap just to see if that eliminates my problem of rust. Go figure. Yeah, because I do not want my glue to be brown. I want it to be white and dry clear. I don't want it to be brown and dry brown. So yeah, so I picked up one of those as well. They come in 3 sizes, small, medium and large. So I picked up the small and it fits the bottle really well. I also picked up a little cutting and setting mat. Now I think this is probably more for quilters, but I picked it up because it's self-healing mat. And I've been wanting one of these because when I have small dies that I've cut out and I want to cut part of it away, say like love hearts, I want to cut, you know, one heart away, or a word die, I want to cut the S off the end or make the word shorter, I can use something like this. It's on my desk all the time. It was $9.95 for that one there. And that one's a well, the Paper Studio brand. Okay. I also picked up this gorgeous stencil. So this is the Crafters Workshop. It was a little bit more expensive than what I'm used to purchasing stencils for. It was an $8 one for the size, but I just really loved it. Yeah, so I thought with Valentine's Day, I'm on the Valentine's project at the moment, I thought I could incorporate something like that, maybe into an art journal page. So I picked that one up. I also picked up a Tim Holtz Ideology sticker pack. So this is called clipping stickers. And I don't think you can have too many clippings. They can be used in art journaling, scrapbooking, card making, things like that. 295 stickers and I paid $5. So you get 4 sheets. I liked the colours as well because it's got that bit of a vintage feel as well. I do like the vintage, and I thought it was a great buy. Okay, and I also purchased some paper. Okay, now this is a textured sheet here. I saw this and it's fibres, so very lightweight. Okay, and absolutely gorgeous. I think it came in a few colours. I think there was a green and maybe a gold, I think it was. So really beautiful. Actually, it was gold because I picked up a gold. I knew I picked up a gold. That's the gold there and the purple. Once again, I thought I could use that in my art journaling, tag making, ATCs, that sort of stuff. So really pretty, and they were $1.50 each. Beautiful. I also picked up some vellum as well, so I'll be using this vellum for my Valentine's Day cards. So absolutely beautiful hearts. So I'll be using those, making some cards up. So I'll be doing that probably in the next couple of days. And also I found this gold paisley as well. So really, really pretty. And I was looking for some sandpaper. No, not the sandpaper that you buy from the hardware, but paper that looked like sand because I'm in the middle of making a zine. I'm going to use some of this in my zine, so you'll have to wait and see for that one. So it's only a one-sided piece, but that's what I was after. Okay, so all these here were $1.50 each, and there was papers galore. It was really heaps of papers to choose from. Okay, and my last one, I finally picked up a crafting mat. It's going to fit here quite nicely, and it's probably long overdue that I've picked up one of these. Picked it up $18, and it's the Culture Creations one, so it's a non-stick one. Got it mainly for heat embossing as well, adhering, painting. You can even bake with it. Baking? Yeah, I won't tell my husband that one actually, because he might actually pinch it and use it for baking. We really had a great time today at the Stamper's Hut. We were served by a lovely shop assistant by the name of Vicky, who works there every second Saturday. They also do lessons, so lessons in scrapbooking, card making and that sort of thing. So in the video you'll see that there is an array of handmade cards and scrapbooking pages. Karen, the owner of the shop there, she does or organises lessons, so you can actually go along and do lessons. So you would need to ring up and book them in, I think, but I will link all those details down below. So I'll link the website to the Stamper's Hut and Karen's blog as well. So it was just such a hidden gem, and the shop's not very big as well, so it's a tiny little shop, but we spent 2 hours there. It was amazing, so really loved it, and I'll definitely be going back. So if you're living in the southeast of Queensland, make the trek down to the Stamper's Hut. It was really good. Got some good ideas as well with the cards that were on display as well, so took some of some photos in that, but it was really great. So thanks Karen for letting me video, thanks Vicky for your service today, and until I see you next time, and everyone, happy crafting. See ya.